10 side hustles to make $1,000 and more. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Make Money Central. It's nice having you here. If you're looking for ways to make some extra money on the side, to stop living paycheck to paycheck finally, this video is definitely for you. We'll be discussing 10 unique and profitable side hustles that can help you make an extra $1,000 or more per month. So get comfortable, grab a pen and paper, and prepare to turn your passion into profit. Let's get started. Before we go into the video, subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to get notified whenever we post a new video. 10 side hustles to make $1,000 and more. 1. Dropshipping. 2. Freelance writing. 3. Virtual writing. 4. Selling products on eBay. 5. Rent out your space. 6. Social media management. 7. Online surveys. 8. Photography. 9. Affiliate marketing. 10. Pet sitting. Dropshipping. Dropshipping can be a great way to earn extra money by selling products online without having to keep any inventory. It's a low-investment, low-risk business model that can be very profitable if done correctly. So, how does it work? Dropshipping is a fulfillment method where you partner with a supplier who handles the manufacturing, shipping, and returns of the product you sell. You only pay for the products when a customer orders from your online store, and the supplier takes care of the rest. This way, you can focus on marketing, promoting, and optimizing your store to drive sales. To start dropshipping, you must choose a niche, select a product, and build your online store. Several platforms that can help you do this are Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and Wix. These platforms offer various tools, themes, and plugins that can help you optimize your store and integrate with payment gateways, shopping carriers, and email marketing providers. Once your store is set up, you can start promoting your products through social media, influencer marketing, paid to advertise, and other marketing channels. As you generate sales and grow your business, consider scaling by adding more products, suppliers, and marketing channels. Freelance writing. Start earning extra income with your writing skills today. That's right, you can turn your passion for writing into a profitable side hustle by freelancing. The beauty of freelancing is its flexibility. You can write from the comfort of your home and choose your products. Here is all you need to get started. Create a strong portfolio. Showcase your writing skills by putting together a portfolio highlighting your best work. This will help you attract clients and get hired for more writing projects. Offer various searches. From blog posts and articles to product descriptions and email newsletters, think about offering a range of writing services to appeal to a wider audience of potential clients. Use freelance platforms. These platforms make it easy for freelancers to connect with clients who need writing services. Some of the most popular platforms include Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, Guru. With the ever-growing demand for freelancers, the opportunities are endless. Following these tips and utilizing the right tools can turn your writing skills into a lucrative side hustle that brings in $1,000 or more. Virtual tutoring. Are you passionate about teaching and sharing your knowledge? Virtual tutoring could be a great opportunity for you to earn extra money. With the rise of online learning, virtual tutoring has become a popular option for students and tutors. By leveraging the power of technology, you can connect with students worldwide and earn $1,000 or more per month from the comfort of your own home. Here are some platforms to get started with virtual tutoring: Tutor.com, TutorMe, Skull, Chegg Tutors. With these platforms, you can earn a handsome income by tutoring students from all over the world. Start your virtual tutoring journey today and watch your income soar. Selling products on Etsy. Do you want to start making money from a side hustle? Etsy is the perfect marketplace for selling unique and handmade goods. With the right strategy, you could easily earn an extra $1,000 by selling your products on this platform. To get started, you only need creativity and a few great products. Once you have that, you can start selling on Etsy and earn money from it as a side hustle. First, identify your niche and target audience. Offer high-demand products. Optimize your shop's appearance and promote it through social media and online ads. Next, offer promotions. Use tools like shipping labels and payment options, and provide high-quality products and exceptional customer service to build a strong reputation and customer base. With hard work and dedication, you can turn your side hustle into a thriving business and reach your goal of earning $1,000. Rent out your space. Are you tired of constantly struggling to make ends meet? It's time to turn that extra space in your home into a profitable side hustle. With the rising sharing economy, you can now easily rent out your spare room, garage, or even your driveway to make an extra $1,000 in no time. So, how exactly can you turn your unused space into cash? With the help of online platforms such as Airbnb, Spacer, and Parkspace, you can easily rent out your space to travelers, car owners, or anyone needing extra storage. It's a win-win situation. You can charge daily, weekly, or monthly rates depending on the demand for your space. And with a little marketing, you can increase your earning potential even further. Social media management. If you want to make extra money, you can turn your social media skills into a lucrative side hustle. With the increasing demand for social media management, you can earn up to $1,000 per month by offering your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Here are some steps to help you get started. Determine your niche. Build your portfolio. Network and market. Stay up to date. With hard work, dedication, and a little bit of luck, you could soon be earning $1,000 a month or more from your social media management side hustle. Online surveys. Online surveys are an excellent way to make money from the comfort of your own home. Companies are eager to hear your opinions and are willing to pay you for them. By taking surveys, you're helping businesses to improve their products and services, and they're rewarding you for it. It's a win-win situation. To start making money from online surveys, you only need a computer or smartphone and a reliable internet connection. There are many reputable survey websites out there, such as Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vendale Research. These websites offer a wide range of surveys to choose from, and you can earn anywhere from a few cents to $50 for each survey you complete. The best part about online surveys is that you can do them anytime, anywhere. Whether you're waiting in line at the grocery store or sitting on the couch, you can take a quick survey and earn money. And the more surveys you take, the more money you can make. With a little effort, it's possible to reach that $1,000 goal in no time. Photography. Photography is the perfect gig if you are looking for a side hustle with the potential to earn a substantial income. With the right approach, you can turn your photography skills into a lucrative side hustle that can earn you up to $1,000 per month. To get started, it's important to focus on building a strong portfolio that showcases your unique style and skills. This can be done by taking on freelance projects, collaborating with local businesses and individuals, or participating in photography competitions. By promoting your work and building up a strong client base, you can soon earn a good income from your photography side hustle. Once you have a solid portfolio, it's time to start reaching out to potential clients and marketing yourself as a professional photographer. Numerous platforms available to freelancers can help them reach a wider audience and find new clients. Some popular platforms include Shutterstock, 500px, and SmugMug. Affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, the sky's the limit when it comes to earning potential. If you're dedicated and consistent, there's no reason why you can't make $1,000 or more from this side hustle. Affiliate marketing is a brilliant way to make money online by promoting products and services and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. The best part is you don't have to worry about handling products, shipping, or customer service. So, where do you start? Here are some platforms to consider as a freelancer. With these platforms, you can access thousands of products and services to promote. Amazon Affiliate Program, ClickBank, Commission Junction, Rakuten Marketing, Share a Sale. Pet sitting. Pet sitting is a great side hustle for those who love animals and are comfortable caring for pets like dogs, cats, birds, and fish. You utilize websites like Rover, Care.com, and Fetch to connect with pet owners in need of a sitter. Don't underestimate the demand for pet sitting services either. With busy lifestyles and increasing numbers of pet owners, the demand for pet sitting continues to grow. This means there is a huge opportunity for you to tap into this market and earn a substantial income. So why wait? Start your pet sitting journey today and watch as the money starts pouring in. Who knows? You might even find your new passion. You can turn your passion into a profitable side hustle with research, creativity, and hard work. So consider these 10 options, find your niche, and start earning some extra income today. Remember, the key to success with any of these side hustles is to find what you're passionate about and to market your services effectively. Hey, you made it to the end of the video. Now that you know 10 different side hustles that could earn you over $1,000, it's time to figure out which best suits your skill set and passions. Comment below and let us know which options you'll pursue. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like and smash that subscribe button. Oh, and do turn on post notifications. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.